Community safety officers. Oh, okay.
Should be like that.
Oh my gosh, it's getting chilly. I've got to take. Yeah, I've got to take my shawl out in a second. Marketplace. Yeah. Oh look, this wasn't here before. What's going on here?
Do you know, it's been like that for a little while, to be honest.
Because
I think when I came in last, I saw it as well.
What, they've planted some new trees.
Have they?
Look,
Oh, yeah.
look at the roll of trees.
Yeah,
There
that's
wasn't
true.
there before. Look at the palm tree.
That's true.
And then the seating area. So they're gonna have some form of event going on
Must
here.
be. But normally they have something at the Odeon, so I thought they're going to do something at the Odeon.
Probably a premiere or something.
Yeah.
But mind you, look, they've set up this for the World Cup.
Oh, okay.
Because this wasn't there. This wasn't there. Because one of these places was the Häagen-Dazs and
Yes, it
the
was, yes, it
bubblegum shrimp factory
Oh,
thing.
okay. I remember the Häagen-Dazs shop.
Yeah. Horizons Casino, another casino. Wow. Are they trying to turn this into mini Vegas? Because look, 4 in a row. Open 24/7.
Wow, so they want people to take their money to the completely.
Well, they're the ones that print it, they might as well get it back. This is where we met Boomer. Remember, look, this wasn't here before as well. So yeah, time check, it's about 1 o'clock in the morning.
Time has flown past.
Yeah, 5 to 1. There's the clock in front of us.
Was it
Look, there's one up there as well. 5 to 1 in the morning.
Time has flown back so quickly, and we're still partying out here.
Still partying. We've met so many amazing people.
So much carrots and so much beautiful people inside
Wow.
and outside.
It's been awesome.
Please send me pictures of the ladies as well.
I will.
Lovely.
And
So beautiful.
did you take some in your phone?
No, I
as well?
didn't get to get my phone out.
Okay, I shall definitely.
Get my phone out.
I shall definitely send you the pictures.
Thank you. His friends is like, gosh, I can't do it no more.
It is right. Look at all the coat of arms.
Of Switzerland.
On the 15th of April 1991, on the occasion of the 70th anniversary of the Swiss Confederation, you were right. The Right Worshipful, the Lord Mayor of Westminster, Councillor David Avery, named this area Swiss Court as a token of the lasting friendship between Switzerland and the United Kingdom. The cantonal tree displays the coats of arms of the 26 cantons of Switzerland. You alright?
I don't mess about this information.
1291 to 1991, okay.
Like language is different, it's not like it's English.
Wow. Ooh. My goodness.
God bless the ambulance.
Is that Chinatown over
Yeah,
there?
that is Chinatown.
Isn't so where's
So there's a Shake Shack. You can do your
okay. I know.
really cold.
Yeah.
The other day when it was hot, it would have been like, it wasn't even cold like this. But I think when it goes to 30 something,
Yeah. See? Another casino. The Book of Mormon. Yeah, it's like again, oh god. This is the same way we came on your birthday. Look,
yeah, literally the same thing.
There's
4 minutes to get across this road.
which one? Remember, there's what's our favourite shop? Fortnum.
Thank you.
Fortnum's.
Yes, Fortnum Estate.
It's down there, yeah.
Favourite last, your favourite.
My favourite.
I found out where I can get my biscuits, not for £4.
But I've still got
I can get for like £15. Oh no, 20, 10, £8.
You can get the one
Your
from...
one is like £30, that one. Then Whittards is only £8.
No, remember the one from Highgrove, the one King Charles's one.
Oh, yeah.
I'm sure the tin was it 50?
It was £18.
£18?
Something like that.
But you get the tin. You get to keep the tin.
That's lovely.
And put other biscuits in there.
That's lovely.
Fresh, yeah. Because it's airtight. Look, these burgundy hats are nice. I like it.
Me too as
I
well.
like it. It's different.
Yeah.
Is Piccadilly open? Look, I might be in luck. Hello, I'll come back another day. Don't worry, I'll vlog your shop and
No, you've got to stay here.
Piccadilly's closed. Okay, we're coming. What time do you close? How come you're up so late?
This shop 24/7.
24/7.
Wow.
Okay, so guys, it's the Piccadilly Food and Drink. They're open 24/7 right outside Piccadilly. Oh.
We live.
Yeah,
You know
well, we're from London, but we're pretending to be tourists. Take care, brother.
You can buy everything from this place.
Yeah.
Check it all out. You got sunglasses. You got
It's
cats. You got chockies and munchies.
snacks, takis. Okay. Where's that from? I haven't. Is it beef jerky? Is it beef jerky or what?
I don't know what it is, but it looks dangerous.
Mind you, have you ever seen
grass in the
grass in the
No.
shop? This is different.
Nature.
Whose idea was this? It's different.
Boss man, he knows what time it is.
Yes, and I like the hats.
The hats are lovely.
The wooden hat is £80 and the straw hat is like £30.
Everything is 80 and 30 in the
The
shop.
wool,
Wow.
that's real wool.
Yeah, I
I can
can
imagine.
tell.
I'm allergic to wool.
I'm not.
Oh, you say you can buy £80.
I just can't hug you. Wow.
Is it a bestseller?
Okay,
Thank you,
interesting.
mister.
I'll come back and check you out again.
Have a lovely
All right, have a good night. Bye.
I just seen that right now, literally. Happy birthday, yeah?
Thank you,
Thanks
mister.
again.
Thank you.
Thanks
bless
again.
you.
Take care, guys.
God bless Africa
What
as
country
well.
are you from? What country are you
North
from?
African.
Which part? Morocco?
We're from Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia.
Okay.
We go together.
Beautiful place.
Trust me. What about you?
Originally
Nigeria.
Ghana.
Yeah, literally.
Ghana.
Forever.
Africa.
Forever.
Always.
Oh, listen.
Were you sisters?
No, but we are in the sight of
Yes.
God, but not biological sisters. It's a bit like I'll see you guys and I say hi, brothers.
Like Algeria.
God bless you. We have one God anyway.
That's it. One source of all creation. You know.
100%.
Yeah.
We all family.
We all family because underneath the skin we all have red blood. We
Alhamdulillah.
all have the
Ibrahim.
same